Hi, New Yorkers. My name is Jade, and I'm the organizer for the Discerning Extrapreneur New York. And I just felt that I should reach out to you guys today just to say hello, just to see how you're doing. And yeah, basically, I'm very keen to make that connection. You know, there's a difference between just pinging messages. So, yes, I just felt the need to basically shoot this short video just to say hello, to encourage you all, and just to see how everybody is doing. As I said, my name is Jade. I hope you are all having a very productive week in New York. New York, I absolutely love. And yes, I just wanted to also mention the event that is actually coming up tomorrow, Thursday, the 17th of November, the training, the Etsy training. And yes, I just wanted to give you a shout out, give the webinar a shout out. I would encourage each and every one of you, New Yorkers, entrepreneurs, to please do join. Nigel, the coach, he's absolutely brilliant. I have worked with him for so many years, and it is so easy to actually open an Etsy store, especially under Nigel's guidance. And what I like about Etsy is the fact that you can actually create anything that you hold dear to your heart. Basically, it could be a flag, it could be your own sort of like personal, calendar, it could be a business growth journal, and it could also be sort of like physical items, craft items that you actually make yourself, and you just want to see, how it does on the market, of which more often than not, you will be quite surprised. So anyway, this is me, Jade, reaching out. Please do reach out back, and I wish you all a brilliant day. Join tomorrow, 8 o'clock, tomorrow, Thursday. I'll see you there. Take care, everybody. Take care, New Yorkers, and I'll be in New York soon, I hope. Bye-bye.